If you're an employer and you're wondering why skilled workers aren't applying to your jobs, you are not alone. It's probably one of the biggest frustrations that I hear. And usually the conversation starts the same way. We've got jobs posted, or we're paying competitive wages. We've got good benefits. So why isn't anyone applying? Or maybe they are applying, but they're not qualified. And that's probably even more frustrating. Now, before we go any further, I want to challenge you one idea here. I don't think that the biggest problem is that there aren't any skilled workers. I think that the bigger problem is that the skilled workers that you want aren't actually looking for jobs, at least not right now. So think about this for just a second. The welder that you wished worked for your company, they're probably already welding somewhere, right? The maintenance tech you'd love to hire, they're already fixing equipment for another manufacturer. The CNC machinist that you're hoping for, they are probably already making something somewhere else. They're employed. They are busy. They're not just sitting there on Indeed every single morning, just clicking, waiting for your job post to appear. So if your hiring strategy depends entirely on active job seekers, you are competing on a very small group of people. That's your first problem. Here's the second. Let's pretend that one of those skilled workers does decide to start looking around. They open up a job board. What do they see? Hundreds of manufacturing jobs. Hundreds. Most of them sound exactly the same. Competitive wage. Yep. Great benefits. Career advancement. Friendly team. Family friendly team, whatever. Same type of thing. But after a while, it's all blending together. And honestly, can you blame them? If every company says that they're different, eventually none of them look alike because they keep saying the same thing. Now, here's the question that I always ask. Why should someone choose your company? Not because you're hiring, but because there's a lot of companies hiring right now, correct? What actually makes you different? If someone landed on your website today, would they see your people? Or would they understand what your culture is all about? Would they know what a day on that job actually looks like? Would they even hear from other employees? Would they see why someone has stayed at your company for years, for 10 years or 13? Or would they just see a job description? Because those are two very different experiences. Years ago, when I was recruiting, I got tired of repeating myself over and over and over again. And I guarantee I was. I'd answer the same questions over and over again. I'd spend time explaining the job, and then I'd find the person wasn't even qualified, or the schedule didn't work, or it wasn't what they expected, or, it felt like I was starting over every single day, just on a hamster wheel. That's probably the best way for me to describe it, just an exhausting hamster wheel. That is when I started creating videos. And I wasn't trying to become this big content creator or YouTuber. I wasn't trying to go viral. I simply wanted people to understand that the opportunity before them, before they contacted me. And then something pretty interesting happened because some people, they'd watch the videos and they'd realize they weren't interested. Good. That saved both of us time, right? Awesome. All right. So other people, they would watch the videos and they'd come into the conversation with me already understanding the company. They knew what to expect. They had realistic expectations. That's key. They already started building trust. Those conversations were completely different. And that's when I realized recruiting isn't just about posting jobs. It's about creating awareness. It's about educating people. It's about helping skilled workers get to know the company before they ever decide to apply. Because here's something that we don't talk about enough. People don't apply to companies that they don't know. They apply to companies they trust. Just like when you're talking to somebody, you want to build trust. And trust doesn't happen because you're good at writing a job description. Trust happens because you've shown people who you are. You've answered their questions. You've introduced your teams. You've been visible. That's why I am such a believer in using video as part of a recruiting strategy. Not because it's trendy, but because it builds familiarity. It answers the questions before your recruiter has to. Let's not burn out the recruiter. It helps applicants decide whether they're a good fit. And that means that your recruiters spend less time chasing people and more time talking to the qualified candidates. So, if skilled workers aren't applying to your jobs, don't just ask yourself, how do I get more applications? Because that will lead to burnout. Ask yourself, why would someone choose us over every other manufacturer or every other employer out there in town? If you can't answer that question clearly, that's probably where you need to start. Because attracting skilled workers isn't about shouting louder than everyone else or spending more money out there on ads. It's about giving people a reason to care. And when you do that consistently, recruiting becomes a whole lot easier. Now, if you want help building that kind of recruiting system, I've put together a free guide called the Workforce Attraction Blueprint. And inside, I walk you through the exact framework that I use to help employers attract qualified applicants through YouTube, video, modern recruitment strategies, without relying on job boards or expensive outside recruiters. You can download your copy using the link in the description below. And before you go, I would love to hear from you here. What is your biggest challenge when you're trying to hire skilled workers? Let me know. Put it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.